Good morning, friends. This morning elaboration is on the topic our greatest glory is in never not in never falling. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Our greatest glory is in not in never falling, but rising every time we fall. See, when moving ahead in the journey of life, we may face innumerable challenges. It is quite natural that when we are moving in the journey of life, we may face innumerable challenges in our life. But what is important is to get up and face those challenges with courage. It is very important to have courage to face them and to go ahead in life. You may stumble or fall many times in the course of your journey, but your spirit to reach your destination should be high. You may be embarrassed for a while, but whenever you are embarrassed, pick up yourself and get ahead. Yes, pick yourself up and continue with more energy each time. Failure gives you experience, so there is no need to get embarrassed. Even if you fall, try to get up and pick yourself up and continue with more energy and time. There is nothing like impossible in this world. It may be difficult to handle the most difficult situation, but when you start facing this, the path of your life will become easier. So never give up. See, most of the people in the world lose because they keep themselves attached to the secondary activities and always are motivated and demotivated by negative thoughts. Success demands continuous efforts and perseverance. See, when you are moving ahead in life, your path may be, maybe beset with difficulties and maybe some challenges which may appear little bit difficult for you, but the pain that you feel today will give you the strength that you will feel tomorrow. Just be yourself. Let people know your fallacies, your demerits, your imperfection. There is nothing to get embarrassed with your imperfection. Learn from them, work hard, and surround yourself with thinkers and dreamers. Sometimes you will find yourself in place when you could not see success happening to you. It doesn't mean that success will not come to your door. It means that you are remotely very close to success. You are not able to see that. And in order to make it happen, you keep pushing yourself, keep embarrassing yourself, keep embracing yourself, embrace your faith. You will overcome the testing phase of life. When you embrace your faith, the day will be yours. So never give up. The harder you work, the luckier you will become. So start from the bottom and do step by step. See, every small step that you are taking must be enthusiastic. It should be full of energy and hope, because hope sustains life. When you start working, maybe that in the course of your plan and your work, you may have certain difficulties, but never give up. Keep your spirit high, because you have to reach the destination. Keep struggling. Several times you may stumble and fall, but get up with more energy and hope. Restart, reschedule your plan, work hard, and never think that simply sitting with hand in hand will make you succeed. The difference in successful and unsuccessful is only that the successful people keep trying despite repeated failures. Success is a continuous process. It needs perseverance and courage to restart. There is no shame in learning anything at any stage. Learn from your seniors, learn from your mentors, but build up your spirit and go ahead. Surround yourself with the people who are thinkers and doers. You will definitely succeed in your life. So friends, there is nothing to be embarrassed with your failure. Failures are integral part of life. Those who have never failed, they have never succeeded in life. See, the Olympic race is beginning today. See, there will be some competitors who may not win the medal. They will reach just, very close to the medal. That doesn't mean that they have failed to win the medal. The second event when they will participate with, they may win the gold medal or silver medal. Medal doesn't matter. What is more important, that their spirit to, run the race, their spirit to compete with their, medalists, that is more important. They have been in the race, and God is always giving them the grace to go ahead. So keep trying, keep striving despite repeated, failures, and have the courage to reach your destination. Fight with your failures, and then definitely you will be one day crowned with success. So my dear friends, never believe in just falling and never getting up. So the dignity and the greatness lies not in never falling, but falling and getting up every time. Whenever you fall, get up every time and restart. So the greatest glory is not in never falling. It is quite natural that we fall in life, we stumble in life. Sometimes we feel dejected, but pick yourself up and restart. Rebuild your stamina and strength. Energize yourself. Be enthusiastic. Never think that you cannot do. Your potential and your knowledge and skill can be acknowledged one day if you keep on trying. Push yourself up. Work hard. The harder you work, the luckier you will become. So start from the bottom of your work. Go step by step and never give up. Remember, always there is a chance. There is always a second chance to win and to become a winner. Just like a race, a competitor in a race never knows whether he will reach the gold medal or the silver medal, but he keeps on running. So keep on trying. The medal is never far away from you. The medal of life, the crown of life, the crown of success is never far away from you. If your spirit and enthusiasm and perseverance is with you, you can do anything that is impossible in the world. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Mr. Eddie Singh on the channel Easy English by Eddie Singh, and this is catering to the needs of providing you thoughts, ideas, and material for enriching your concept, elaboration, and perception in life. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.